GBP for CHF in this situation would have gone up. Come on, GBP for CHF 67%. It's not much, of course, 5 minutes up. Not much, but playable. We'll have to open more follow-up trades. Here.
A link to all the information is on the YouTube profile.
The reason for entering is that in this last interval, I see a good upward movement. I see buybacks. In the last two candles, there were attempts everywhere for the seller to go down. They are being bought back. We are advancing slowly, but we are still moving higher. On the way, there will be this maximum, which was made quite recently. It's unlikely that we won't let the seller pass in this situation to bounce back from here again. But the only thing to consider is the sideways movement here. But again, the situation still favors the buyer. Above, there is a very interesting growing nuance. And it's not just a small nuance, it's a nuance on this impulsive candle, where in principle one of the large volumes is present. So again, my opinion remains that we have liquidity here, and that this distance to the nearest volume and to this stop I can try to take to my advantage, because we are not letting, let me enlarge it, not letting the seller go down. We are buying up the candle, holding it to our advantage. There are more buyers, fewer sellers in this candle. I didn't expect the movement to be so fast. No, I took 5 minutes here, guys. No need. We can react from this moment and go down already. Here, of course, yes, there's a big mistake, but it's difficult. I currently have the impression that everything I used to know about expiration time, about how I could choose it before, doesn't work in today's market. I mean, I haven't adapted to this new market after Trump, damn, but it really started behaving very badly. These sudden movements out of nowhere, they really start to annoy me. Exactly. And this might be a mistake for me. That is, the movement upwards happened, I saw it, but because we made this movement very quickly, we automatically ended up in the area, and in the area reinforced by these volumes. We might experience a retracement movement very quickly in the opposite direction. I might just not fit into this time frame, as it is very large. Yes, that's exactly the moment I was talking about. And if it manages to shave me off in a minute and 40 seconds, it won't be anyone else's fault. It will be mine. It's me who can't adapt to the mechanics of binary options and choose the right time, looking at the price movement. 5 seconds remain until the end. Plus, of course, I take it there. But with time, of course, there was also trouble. It was chosen incorrectly. Logically, I tried to take the profit up to this point. I would have taken it. The fact that a pullback movement occurs from here is also logical. The area plus the volumes. Now I'm looking for the situation further.